Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video we are going to see your Samsung Smart TV won't turn on having black screen. So here's a tutorial on how can you fix this issue. Fix one is you need to power cycle the TV. For that, unplug it from the main source, wait for few seconds, then after waiting for few seconds plug it in back, and then again turn it on by using the remote or by the main power button. Then the next fix is the next fix is you need to test your HDMI cable. So if you are connected to HDMI cable, you need to go to settings, and then once you go to settings, you need to go to support, and after you go to support, you need to go to self diagnosis. So if you have connected to some HDMI, this signal information will be available for you. You need to click on the signal information, and then once you open it, you can find HDMI cable test. Click on it and then click on start test. So this will test your HDMI connections. Then test different external devices. So if you are connected to any external devices like DVD or game consoles, check whether they are working properly or there's no damage to it. If it is damaged, you need to replace it. And the last fix is you need to request for a service. If none of these basic steps solve, you need to contact them for your warranty or for a customer support. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. If you think I helped you in some way, do like, share, comment, and also to subscribe to this channel.